Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to delete all comments on Instagram. So if you have 1 or 2 comments on your Instagram post, what you're going to do, you're going to click on your profile icon at the bottom right, and then basically what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and click on your post that you want to delete the comment from, and then click the comment, and then basically what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and you're going to be able right here to delete the comment, and basically now that comment is deleted, right? And if you have more than 1 comment, you have to do the same drill. But if you want to delete a bunch of comments at the same time, fortunately for now you won't be able to use it except using a third-party app, which I don't recommend. But if you have to, go to a third-party app, or else you could just go ahead and swipe left and delete that comment by clicking delete, and that comment will be deleted. So I'll turn on the comments of this video. I hope you don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.